Hello, welcome to another Facts of Dimension Spotlight Dataset. This one's covering intermediate care. The NHS England Stats website has an awful lot of data in there. You can see the long list of categories on the side, and we've got nearly all of these already in. They often revise data, and when they do that, we update our data, and we also have the history if you're interested in that too. Anyway, I just downloaded one of these files so you can have a little look. You can see how the data is laid out. Not too bad, but certainly needs a bit of work to get it into a database. There's 7 tables in total. So far, 222,000 rows and data going back to 2022. Let's have a look at some of the stuff in here. Intermediate care. Daily series. Let's have a look at that. So you see the categories and subcategories and measures and values. Weekly series. The categories and measures. They're countrywide. Days remained in hospital. This one's by region and organisation, so you can see that by the actual ICB. Yeah, and there's the other table as well. So follow the link in the description, and you can get free access to this and everything else for 30 days for trialing purposes. Thanks.